How to fix Gmail not opening in browser 2026 full guide. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail when it won't open or load in your browser. These fixes solve 90% of Gmail issues in under 5 minutes. Before doing anything else, check if Gmail servers are down. Go to Google Workspace Status Dashboard. Look for Gmail. If the status is green, Gmail is working. If it's red or orange, Gmail is having server issues. Wait for Google to fix it. Nothing you can do on your end. Press F5 on Windows or Command R on Mac. Gmail sometimes just hiccups. A simple refresh fixes it instantly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows, Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. This opens a private window with no extensions, no cache, no saved data. Try Gmail here. If Gmail works in incognito but not normal mode, your extensions are the problem. Move to step 4. If Gmail works in incognito and extension is blocking it, click the 3 dots in Chrome, go to More Tools, click Extensions, turn off each extension one by one, reload Gmail after each one. When Gmail works, you've found the culprit, delete that extension. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows, Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac, set time range to all time. Check cookies and cached images and files. Click Clear Data, restart your browser, try Gmail, click the 3 dots in Chrome, click Help, click About Google Chrome. It automatically checks for updates and installs them. Restart Chrome, try Gmail. Outdated browsers cause compatibility issues. If Gmail works in Firefox, Safari, or Edge but not Chrome, the problem is Chrome-specific, not Gmail. Use a different browser temporarily while you troubleshoot Chrome. This proves the issue is isolated to one browser. Open a new tab, go to google.com. If it loads, your internet is fine. If it doesn't, restart your router. Unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in. Wait for full connection, try Gmail, click the 3 dots, go to Settings, click Reset Settings to their original defaults, confirm reset. This removes all problematic settings without losing passwords or bookmarks. Gmail requires JavaScript. Click the 3 dots, go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. Click JavaScript, make sure it's turned on. If blocked, click Allow. Sometimes security software blocks Gmail. Temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. Try Gmail. If it works, add Gmail to your whitelist in the security software so it stops blocking it. If nothing works, contact Google Support. Go to Support Google.com, click Help Center. Submit a support request. Google will investigate your account and server-side issues. Failed, clear cache and cookies, restart browser, this site can't be reached, check internet connection. Restart router, blank page or infinite loading, disable extensions, clear cache, try different browser, check Gmail server status. Refresh page, try incognito mode, disable extensions. Clear cache and cookies, update browser, try different browser. Check internet, reset Chrome, enable JavaScript, disable antivirus temporarily, contact support if nothing works, that's it. If this fixed your Gmail, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.